Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a standards-compliant sitemap, XML that lists your canonical URLs and metadata. Once done, upload it to the site root so search engines can find it at /sitemap. XML. Make sure to validate the XML for syntax errors and compress to sitemap. XML. GZ if your file exceeds 50,000 URLs or 50 MB. This avoids ingestion failures. You should also ensure your robots. TXT points to the sitemap because search engines often look there first. You now submit the sitemap in Google Search Console by adding and verifying your site property, domain, or URL prefix, depending on your setup. Once verified, go to Sitemaps, enter the path after your domain, and hit Submit. Make sure to use the test option first to catch parsing errors. If you have many URLs, create a sitemap index that references smaller sitemap files and submit that instead. Also submit to Bing Webmaster Tools. Consistency speeds up discovery across engines. You finish by monitoring the sitemap report and index coverage in Search Console to confirm URLs are indexed and to find errors. Once you fix any 4XX, 5XX, or canonical conflicts, resubmit the sitemap and use URL inspection to request indexing for priority pages. Make sure to ping the sitemap URL to notify engines after major updates. If things go wrong, focus on resolving canonicalization and server errors first. These are the most common causes of missing URLs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.